because of that, and you're the first one to see it actually, we are introducing, starting today, our AI documents, which is an AI document builder that can connect to your data sources. And with vibe coding, you can design a QBR, you can design a presentation, you can design a one-pager, you can design a renewal review for your customers, and send a personalized PDF for each account. So just like in a nutshell, so this is our documents model where you can design different documents. So let's say that I would like to create now a QBR of Q4 2026. And then you could actually start designing different components that you have. So let's say that I would like to create. So I previously created a QBR cover page. I'm not a designer, by the way, but it actually looks really nice. But if I would like to create a new component, I can go and I will use our studio model to create a component. So let's create a component for create component to show renewal information. So what Studio will do now, since we connected Salesforce and other data sources to our platform, so Studio will design like a page that we can later use in our documents. We can pull information from BigQuery and Databricks and Snowflake and basically any data source that you have. So you can create your top tier slides without compromising. So let's say that this looks good. You can see here that it used some placeholder for specific elements. Let's say that I'm happy with that. I can publish this component. I can go back to our documents, and now I could use the component that I just created as a part of my my slide. As I mentioned, we could put here a lot of other stuff. We can reflect business priorities, and then at scale, once I choose a specific customer, the document will be generated for them. The data will be pulled in real time for your systems, and then we could download it and automate send to the customer. Another really, really important part about that is that you could actually give your customers the power to generate a real-time snapshot of the report that you create for them. So let's say that you have like a template of value snapshot, so you can allow your customers to generate it on their own interface, and then they could download it, they could see it, they could provide it, they could send it into their manager. So, and all of this was not designed by a designer. I mean, it was by a designer, but by an AI designer. So same goes with renewal. So for example, we can connect to the renewal opportunity in Salesforce, and then 2 months before the renewal, you could send a renewal overview to the customer, and then you could say, would you like to auto-renew? Yes or not. You could decide also for each component which account should appear. So let's say that this component, I only want to show to customers that their next renewal date is in the next 90 days. So customers that are beyond that will not see this component. So I'm super excited about this module. I know that many of our customers really wanted also the PDF version, so you could scan here to learn more, and we are going to give like a nice we're going to give a nice early bird discount on that. So let's talk if this is something that you would like to see with your data.